How to see who favorited your TikTok video new update. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to see who favorited your TikTok video and the new update of TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So first thing that we're going to do is to actually make sure that our TikTok is up to date, since this feature is relevantly new. So I'm just going to click on App Store right here, or if you've been Android, just open up your Play Store. And as you can see from the TikTok page on the App Store, it shows an update button. That means that my TikTok is currently outdated. So just click on the update option right here so that we will be having the latest features within the app, especially the feature of being able to see who added our TikTok video to their favorites. So however, if that says open, that means that your TikTok is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my TikTok app, I'm just going to go ahead and open it. And from the profile page or from any other page, we need to be at the inbox page, or the page where we can see our notifications. So to do that, just click on this inbox option right beside the plus icon at the middle. And you should see the notifications from here. So just click on this activity option right here. And make sure that once you click on this drop down menu that says all activity, you should be selecting the all activity option. So the check mark should be behind that. So because if you just select the likes and favorites, it will only show this one. If you just click on comments, it will only show the comments that are in your video. So I'm just going to select all activities so that you're going to make sure we see all the notifications, including who favorited our TikTok video. So as you can see, these are notifications that says the username added your video to favorites. So that is actually how you can see who favorited your TikTok video. Also, you need to take note that this new feature is currently still rolling out to everyone, so you might not have this feature yet. So just be updated on the TikTok updates so that you will be having this feature real soon. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.